to a limit where it needs to feed. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns out with the pain.
Hey guys, welcome back to my space on the internet. It is your girl Shuga and I'm an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. Now, if this is your first time of being on this channel, please do not make it your last. Hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this beautiful, amazing family. Okay, you guys. I mean, you can already tell from the excitement on my face, okay, that I am excited to actually be trying out this Korean skincare face sheet or face mask. Please ignore all the background noise. I'm going to try as much as possible to filter it. I am yet to get a very good microphone for my phone, literally, especially my iOS, since the other one started behaving funny. Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to be trying out some Korean skincare, just one anyway, okay, the most basic of these Korean skincare that we know, and that is this face sheet, okay, and I'm so excited, you guys. Let me show you. I have two of them here, okay. I just stumbled on them. Let me tell you honestly, I've actually been looking forward to actually try this out and know what it feels like. Just know what it feels like, basically, okay, just know what it feels like. And yes, I stumbled on this one. I don't know if you can see it. This one in Abuja is sunny, okay. This is the front. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what this looks like, okay. It is the Sadoa Plant Max series and they have several of them, okay. So I picked these two because I feel like they are the two that contain the ingredients that I need, okay, to cater for my skincare needs at this time. This one is the Sadoa Deep Hydration series and it is a hyaluronic moisturizing mask, okay. So you can see why I picked it, because I have oily skin and they say it replenishes water and moisture, it brightens your skin tone, and it gives multiple nutrient penetration, and film cloth is soft and light. I've not used a face sheet before, okay. I've done face masks, normal face masks and all, but I've never used a face sheet before, so I really can't tell what it's like. So this is literally going to be like a first impression video, yeah. This one is the Plant Max series, of course, the Snail Essence Moisturizing Mask. Yes, baby. It also replenishes water and moisture, brightens your skin, multiple nutrient penetration, film cloth is soft and light. Why I just like it is that, like, it contains snail essence. See, if you're a skincare person, you do anything skincare, you always watch skincare videos, whether on Instagram or TikTok or any other social media platforms, you know that the way people are always talking about this snail essence thing, snail kinikon, the other Cosrx or Cosrx, I'm like, kilo day, we are still using it on our face again. But well, you guys, I'm here to use it. So which one do I go with first? I feel like going with the Snail Essence one, but let's do this. Mini money more father as a donkey that is father that is, that means you are out of the story. We are going to be trying this out, okay, you guys. And the best time to use this is immediately after cleansing your face. So since I'm about to head out, I'm just going to take you guys through the things or routines I like to do before I go to shower. I like to sweat out a little before I go on to have my shower in the mornings, especially, sometimes at night, most times at night actually. So I always do just this small workout routine on my own at home in my compound, and then I go and take my bath. All right, so come with me, let me show you what this routine looks like. And of course, we are going to be trying out the Snail Essence Moisturizing Mask from the Sadoa. Yeah, so let's go. So these are my starter packs for whenever I want to work out, my skipping rope, and then my makeshift dumbbells.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm...
I could even barely carry myself, like lift myself. He's been... My goodness, you know that? Why do you want to kill yourself? Okay, you guys. So, right off, I'm going to go on ahead right now that we're done with that. Hey, I started my routine in second week of January, but I haven't been as consistent as much. I mean, I'm actually, today is the 1st of February 2024. By the way, happy new month, you guys, okay? And the last time I did my routine was, I think, 2 weeks ago. Yes, this is a new week, literally 2 weeks ago. I didn't do it last week, 2 weeks ago. And when I did it 2 weeks ago, the kind of pain I felt in my legs, especially my lower legs, I still feel slight of those pain. I think that was one of the reasons why I decided to take it easy, because my target was to hit 1,000 skips, but at 500 or so, because I had not worked out in a very long time, I started having a lot of pains, you know, even in my chest and everything. So I had to just cool it down. And I recently heard that for people who have ulcer, that or who are suffering from this ulcer crisis or ailment, that it is not advisable that you do skipping as part of the exercise. So that is why I don't really push myself to go too hard when I'm skipping, even if I like that it makes me sweat out and actually makes me lose weight a whole lot. I don't know if it works for other people, but it works for me. Okay, like if I do this consistently for the next 1 week, I'm actually going to slash into football. I'm taking it easy because of my health as well. But yeah, of course, you guys, time to go take a bath, and then of course, most importantly, use our face sheet masks. Okay, you guys, let's go and bath. Hey, my waist, you guys, see, I just finished my period, okay? And I don't know if this thing is normal. If you know about it, let me know. If you're a medical doctor or a medical practitioner, let me know. I just finished my period about 2 or 3 days ago, but I keep having, you know, this lower pelvic pain, like when you're expecting your period or when you're having cramps. I'm now suddenly having it since last night. I don't understand why. I mean, it's supposed to happen during the period or before the period, okay, not after. I've not had this after experience before. Is it normal? Is it usual? Let me know in the comment section below, you guys. Meanwhile, I didn't want strength to enter the bathroom. I may want to go back, come off for you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change.
Just one inside this thing. Oh my god, it's so slimy. Snail. Okay, I'm guessing this is the sheet. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, it's so slimy. The nose and the eye and the everything. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, it's so disgusting. Maybe because I naturally feel disgusted with this line from snail. Okay, that's why I don't wash snail. I get snail. So I'm supposed to leave this on for 15 minutes. Okay, I wish they made it to actually calm down the neck. You know how I'm a sucker for anything you're doing on your face, you should do on your neck. So guys, it's slimy. Maybe not as bad, but maybe because I don't like snail things. Even eat it, okay? So yeah, that's why I feel this way. I have blackheads here, so I'm just going to put this here. Yeah. You guys, we're supposed to leave this on for what, 15 minutes? Hold on. Okay, this is it. This is 6:44, so by say 7:10 for me to take this off, and then we're going to come back here and I'm going to tell you what it feels like. But right now that is on my face, it just feels like there is wet tissue on my face, literally. I don't know. Okay, so now you're not supposed to let it dry out completely, because if you let it sit completely and it dries out on your skin, it could actually dry out your skin, okay, and strip your skin of the oil or moisture it's supposed to be retaining, and that is not what we want. Okay, that's not the essence of using face sheet masks generally. Okay, whatever face sheet masks you're using, all right, you don't want it to dry out your skin and cause more damage than has already been done to your skin, basically. So we're going to leave this on for 15 minutes, come back and I'm going to tell you what it feels like after using it. Of course, you already saw me cleanse my face. Okay, so by the time I'm done with this, all I need to do is rinse off with my warm water that is literally ready already. I hope it doesn't get. I'm going to just take the rest of the slime, the disgusting that is here, and just apply on my neck, because it has to go there. You must take care of your neck simultaneously with your face. Yes, there's extra slime. That much. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with it around my neck area. Hey guys, so 15 minutes later we are back. You can see it's already drying out and literally coming off by itself. So I'm just going to take this off so that you can see what my face looks like. Okay. Do I feel any different? Not really. Maybe because it's the first time. I've been advised to use face sheet masks twice a week. So maybe by the time I use the second one, which is the hyaluronic mask, I don't know, maybe. If you need it, by the way, I got it from a very trusted supplier. So if you need it, this particular brand of the Sadua, please let me know in the comment section below. You'll be getting it. This is very freaking affordable getting. So if you're interested, you can get 10, 20, 100 marks if you want. Okay, so just let me know in the comment section below and I will be getting it on to you guys. Okay, yes. So now we're going to go on ahead to use this warm water to rinse off this. Honestly, guys, I don't feel like so next I'm going to bring in my okay. That's about all you need for your face and your neck, basically. Right, yeah. So I always like to go in with it first, so that by the time I am done creaming the rest of my body, it is dry, and then I can use my body cream or face moisturizer on my face at the same time. Okay, then by the time I'm done putting on my underwear and all, it all dry out and I can apply my makeup and stuff. Right, yeah. Things are happening. So you guys, this is basically it. I don't know what exactly this is supposed to do, but I actually feel sort of refreshed, okay, owing to the fact that I just cleansed my face, and I think because of the face sheet marks as well. But yeah, it's just there. Okay, I think I'm going to get another snail essence. Okay, I need to contact the supplier and get another snail essence and try to use it for the second time this week. Okay, even if today is Thursday already, I'm going to try to do it between Saturday and Sunday, and then I'm going to give you a final feedback on what that is. So you need to stay tuned to this channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so that you will know when the second part of this video goes up. Okay, you guys, yes. And that brings me to the end of this video. Did you find this video relatable, helpful, interesting? Please let me know in the comment section below. Would you like to see more of vlogs on this channel? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'm really skeptical about bringing vlogs here, okay, because I've tried it once and it didn't really do the numbers. But you guys, if you like to see vlogs, of my workouts, of me eating, making my food and all whatnot, let me know in the comment section below, okay, you guys. And I'm going to be bringing more of such relatable content to you. Until I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, you guys, stay live, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.